Busby Glass has provided glazing services to both domestic and commercial clients in Glasgow and the west of Scotland for over 30 years. We offer everything from glass repair and replacement, double glazing, misted unit repair and everything in between, and our experienced team aim to provide you with quality service that you will be fully satisfied with. So, if you need anything glass related, we have the experience to help you out. Our skilled glaziers in our on-site workshop can cater for all your glazing needs, be that a single pane cut to size, a bespoke window, or double glazing repair or replacement. Whatever your needs, you can trust Busby Glass to deliver the highest quality results at a great price to suit your budget. So, whatever your glazing requirements, from emergency repair to replacement, call Busby Glass today to speak to one of our experienced and knowledgeable staff.